Hello guys, today we're gonna be fixing a Samsung S8 back glass. Please just remember to put a lot of heat on the back of it, not on the front, because we get that a lot. What you need is an ice sesame, how we call it, or a prying tool. This back glass has been changed before, so it's easier to take out as you see. Usually it's like 10 times harder than this. So with ice sesame, you wanna go around the corners of the phone itself, but you don't want to put it all the way inside. And then put some red tape and you should be all good to go after that.